Hello, welcome to the course Big Data Analytics. In this video, we'll discuss about glimpse of big data analytics. What is big data analytics actually? Big data analytics is the process of examining and extracting insights from large, complex, and diverse data sets using some advanced analytical techniques. With the rapid growth of digital data, big data analytics has become a crucial part of many industries, including finance, healthcare, retail, and technology. This is about big data analytics. Then, big data analytics involves several stages, which includes data collection, data processing, data storage, data analysis, and data visualization. Let us see one by one. The data is typically collected from various sources. What are those? Like social media, sensors, customer interactions, and transaction data. Now, let us see all this: data collection, data processing, data storage, data analysis, and data visualization. So the first step or the first stage in the process of data processing, which involves cleaning and transforming the raw data into a structured format that can be analyzed. This stage may also involve integrating data from different sources, which create a more comprehensive data set. This is the first step in big data analytics, data processing. Then coming to the next stage, which is data storage. Here, the processed data is stored in a database or a data warehouse for easy access and retrieval. This may involve using technologies such as Hadoop, Spark, or NoSQL databases, which stores and manage large data sets. Then here, data analysis is the heart of big data analytics. This stage involves using some statistical and machine learning techniques for identifying patterns, trends, and insights from the data. Common techniques used in data analysis are clustering, classification, regression, and association roles. Finally, data visualization stage, which is used to communicate the insights gained from data analysis in a more intuitive and understandable way. This may involve creating charts, graphs, and dashboards, which summarize the findings and help decision makers to understand the data more easily. This is data visualization stage. Overall, what is big data analytics? Now, big data analytics is a powerful tool that enables organizations to gain insights from large and complex data sets, which can help them to make more informed and data driven decisions. Hope you understand. In next video, we will come up with other interesting topics.